Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn a Essay Speech. Today in this video, we will see best speech on Independence Day. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our great nation India. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became free after a long struggle and the sacrifices of countless brave freedom fighters. We proudly remember heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others who dedicated their lives for our freedom. Friends, freedom is not only a gift but also a responsibility. As students, we can serve our nation by studying sincerely, respecting others, protecting nature, and following good values. Let us always be proud to be Indians and work together to make our country stronger, cleaner, and more successful. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Dear friends, please like, share, and subscribe Learn as a Speech for more educational videos.